Here are some important Linux commands that every user should know. ls. This command lists the files and directories in the current directory. cd. This command is used to change the current directory. pwd. This command shows the current working directory. mkdir. This command creates a new directory. touch. This command creates a new file. This command is used to remove files and directories. mv. This command is used to move files and directories. cp. This command is used to copy files and directories. cat. This command is used to display the contents of a file. grep. This command is used to search for a specific string in a file. ping. This command is used to test network connectivity. ifconfig. This command displays network interface information. top. This command displays system resource usage. ps. This command displays information about the running processes. tar. This command is used to archive and compress files.